Welcome to our channel where we discuss ways to make money without having to work actively for it. Today, we're talking about the top 5 passive income ideas. Passive income is money that comes in without having to put in active effort. It's a great way to earn extra money on the side or even replace your full-time income. Let's get started. Number 1 on our list is rental properties. Owning rental property can be a great source of passive income. You collect rent each month and can eventually sell the property for a profit. Next up is dividend-paying stocks. These are stocks that pay out regular dividends to shareholders. By investing in these types of stocks, you can earn a steady stream of passive income without having to actively manage your investments. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale you make. With affiliate marketing, you can earn passive income by setting up an online presence and promoting products to your followers. Next on our list is writing an ebook. By writing an ebook on a topic you're knowledgeable about, you can earn passive income through book sales. Once you write the book, you don't have to actively market it, as it will continue to sell on its own. Last but not least is renting out your car. By using a platform like Turo, you can rent out your car when you're not using it and earn passive income. It's a great way to monetize an asset you already own. There you have it, the top 5 passive income ideas. But remember, while these ideas can provide a great source of income, it's important to do your research and put in some effort to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next video.